On our trip to Glacier National Park, we wanted to experience a stay which is unique. So we choose this Treehouse Cocoon, which is part of the Clear Sky Resorts. This is located at Essex, which is approximately 16 miles from the west entrance of the Glacier National Park. There is a reception at the entrance. Upon check-in, they basically guide you to the assigned cocoon. This is the Clear View Treehouse Cocoon. This bubble is suspended 10 feet above the ground amidst the trees. There is a stairway on its side which lead you to the entrance of the cocoon. We were lucky enough to get a bubble which has a transparent dome. This bubble can hold up to 2 adults and a child. Inside there is a full-size bed. We were awestruck by the views inside this bubble. This bubble sways back and forth when there is wind, so it was a very thrilling experience. With our stay, they provide earbuds, towels. They also provide a white noise machine, solar lights, and an electrical outlet to charge our mobile devices. There is also a private fireplace beneath our cocoon. There is also a mountain railroad close by the stay. There is also a common area where you can enjoy the mountain views in the evening. Overall, we had a fantastic experience with our stay. The best highlight of our stay was stargazing in the night. It was one of the most beautiful experiences we have ever had.
Please do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.